We want to give you the tools to be curious, to ask questions, and just to want to be better.
And just peel back the layers of your relationship and the person that you're with and getting to know them in a very soulful, deep, fulfilling way. As divorce mediators and couples therapists, we work with a lot of couples, and we were inspired because of the work that we do.
The reason why we did divorce mediation is because we didn't want people to go through an ugly court battle.
And mediation can sometimes end and dissolve a marriage more amicably.
And then we started a radio show called New Beginnings, and we did that for about a year.
And a lot of the research we did for the radio show inspired the book, and a lot of it is in the book.
Once we finished with the radio, we then started thinking about writing a book, and we started talking about what would be the right book that we should create.
And so the conscious coupling is really about couples who come to the awareness of what's working in their relationship, and the areas that it's not working, they're able to correct.
Yeah, so the thinking initially was that we were going to write a book when people had some problems, but then we said, well, that doesn't make any sense, so we have to really get them when they're happy.
When the relationship is working is the best time to address some of the needs and wants that each of them have in their relationship. This is a book that we hope that couples who are aware and conscious will take and read and apply these principles so that their relationship can stay on track, rather than wait till after the crisis and think that they can get back on track.
Yeah, and I think a lot of books also, they talk about how to fix things instead of preventing things. And one of the things that we came up with was called root cause analysis. And what that is a methodology of asking a series of questions until we get to the root cause. And what that means is asking them, why is this happening? Why is it like this? Why do you feel there's an emotional disconnect? Why do you feel that your needs aren't being met? So what we want to do with root cause analysis is we want to continue to ask the question until we know that we got to the root cause.
We want them to keep asking the question to each other and keep that relationship evolving, and as it evolves, you're growing deeper and deeper and deeper into a nice solid foundation, because what we see as mediators is what two people across from us are sitting there going, why didn't you say something? Yeah. Why didn't we ever talk about it? And there's a broken heart sitting there, and it's very sad, and what we're trying to do is prevent that.
Money value, sex, sexual values, communication, compatibility, all those things can be at the root cause of their problem.
And if you get into the good habit early on in the relationship to talk about these things, then those habits will carry you through your relationship.
I think a big thing about the book as well is we look at things as three different entities. So it's ourselves, so we have to know ourselves, our partner has to know us, and we have to know our partner, they have to know themselves, and then the third is the relationship.
Right, so the root cause analysis doesn't necessarily just look at the couple, it looks at the individual. So this is a book about self-development and taking who you are,
right,
and then the partner reading it, learning about who they are, and combining it together.
Yep, and then also the couple looking at the relationship.
And then look at the couple. So there's three chambers, there's you, there's them, and the relationship. What we see in mediation is that people have become to themselves very ugly and disappointed in themselves. This book helps you develop a better strength, inner strength, and self-awareness, so that you don't fall off the track and then become like a disappointed, ugly, betrayed person.
The reason for calling it conscious coupling is because we do want people to be aware. You can't have change without being aware.
Why we decided to write this book together is because, first of all, we were radio hosts and we were able to bounce off each other. We learned a lot more, not only what Don brought into, but what I brought in, and so we had a lot of material. Also, we're divorce mediators and we work together with the couple.
Yeah, and a lot of couples like that approach because they feel that there's a male and a female perspective that is brought into the room. And even though we may not act and say things from a male or female perspective, they still feel more comfortable that way because they feel like their voices are being heard. So what we wanted to do is, instead of writing a book where the two of us collaborated on one chapter and one topic, we felt it would be better and more real to people if we showed each of our perspectives. So we took the money value topic and each of us wrote a chapter on that. from each of our professional and personal experiences, you can see what we have learned.
I guess it's like 2 books in one, really.
It is $2 in one, yes, absolutely.
This book is for any couple or any individual who wants to be fully conscious in their relationship with their partner and with themselves.
Yeah, someone who wants to have a meaningful and fulfilling relationship. Somebody who wants to know where they're going. Somebody who wants to take control of their life. And they're in a relationship that they really want to be in. How many people are actually happy in their marriage and in their relationships? We think the number is about 25%.
And this book is also geared towards those who have been through the marriage, divorced, and looking to get into another relationship.
People are there and they continue to bring themselves to the relationship, every single relationship that they have. And if they're not improving themselves, they're bringing the same bad person to each relationship, and they're not improving upon themselves.
But if you're happy with yourself and you're your own best friend, you should never be afraid of being alone. So this is a book that will help you discover more about yourself too, so that you can take the time and select carefully and be with the person that you want to be with, and be able to work on in those areas in which you can build a stronger foundation with your partner.